This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it's March 18th, 2020. Sooner I got a call for a customer of mine. She's got a boiler leaking down in the basement. She got two boilers down there. I know she's got a couple of real old oil tanks. But one of the boilers has got a leak, her son says, so. I told her I would go down there and work on the boiler if no one's around, but I'm not going in the house. Oh, they're gonna have to bleed the radiators themselves. Anyway, we're gonna try to get you some shots. Should be pretty dark and dingy down there like normal. Gonna go by and give it the old Gundy, Mama. The old Gundy. Give it the old how you doing. Maybe it's an expansion tank or a relief valve or something. I don't know. It's an oil-fired boiler. I know that. It might be a water feeder, backflow that's leaking. Who knows? We'll find out. I got an expansion tank in the truck here and relief valves and whatnot, so. I did land that other job with that 75-gallon storage tank. I'm going to replace that. It's couple of days for that to come in there to order it. I'll do probably next week. Well, I got that job. I've been kind of, picking and choosing what I want to do.
Turn left on Nixville Road.
The whole coronavirus bullshit going on here. Try to keep it safe. Tank's bad for sure. Look at the feeder. Sweating. Got a bad relief valve there. Tank's probably bad too. Even though that's kind of low. It might just be the relief valve's bad. Yeehaw! Alright guys, so on this here I'm shutting off all the radiators, so I won't have to bleed them all. That's the return. Here's the supply. Once I drain it down, I'll put a new high vent and I'll get rid of all the air there, so it'll be self-purging. I'm going to change this tank too. So we got to put a hose on it and drain it. Put a new relief valve in. And check the expansion tank. It could be this coils that's bad too, but I'm not sure. Probably go right out the window with it. just a bad relief valve there. I think that's what it is. I bet you this tank's bad too. Nothing. Got a bad tank. That tank's gotta come out. So we're gonna change that high vent in that tank. It'll be self-bleeding because it's gonna bleed right through this high vent when I put the water back to it. Right? There you go. You put a little jism on there. Expansion tanks is what failed, and that's what made the relief valve fail. Hopefully I can get it off. Don't have to go crazy with these high vents. I mean, just hand tight like that's probably fine. That's what I use right there. It's got the skinny jaws to get in there. Here it comes out. I have to put a pipe on it. Oh, I don't know. I want to come off there, bitch. You're gonna put the little pipe on there to give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more. How you doing? This tank's gonna be real heavy, so I gotta make sure I'm under it because it's gonna full of water. Gonna be really heavy. You can hear it, it's full of water. Put her on there like that, hand tight behind. So I'm going out the window there, so I didn't really drain the whole boiler. Probably drained down about this much, so that's good. I'm gonna shut this off. Now we can refill the boiler, and all the air is gonna come out that high vent. Once we open this, because the feed is on that side, right? So the air is going to come in, and it's going to get pushed out over there. And then we could open up the supply here. We won't have to bleed it. I don't want to go up in the house anyway. Self-bleeding. Turn the boiler back on. Got lucky on that one. Alright, so we got the supply open. Return open. New relief valve, new expansion tank, new high vent. Oil pressure's good. Old tanks, man. Real old stuff. She's gonna need new tanks soon. Scary. Yeah, so the expansion tank was bad and it compromised the relief valve and it wouldn't shut off, so I had to change the relief, the expansion tank, and that high vent was leaking too, so we put all that in all new. There you go. Working safe, mama. Working safe. Alright, I plug this mess back in there. It's his freezer. I don't know why he's got it kind of wimped out like that, but I don't like that. That's his freezer. Shit. Unbelievable. That's what you call a shit show right there. It's on while I'm leaving it.